everyone, and welcome back to Journey English Daily. How are you today? How is your English learning going? Remember, the more you study, the more you improve. Step by step, your English will get better and better. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. And hello, everyone. It's great to be here again with you all. How are you, Anna?
I'm feeling wonderful today, Joni. I feel like I'm traveling. I feel like I just arrived at a hotel lobby. I feel ready for a new adventure.
That's perfect because today's topic is hotel check-in and check-out. We will practice useful, real English you can use in any hotel. Slow, simple, clear, friendly. You're going to love this lesson.
And remember, you can repeat with us. You can shadow every sentence. You're doing great already. Don't worry. Take your time.
I am at the hotel. I am standing in the lobby. I have my suitcase with me. I feel a little tired. I feel a little excited.
I walk to the front desk. I smile at the receptionist. I say, hello. I say, I want to check in.
I have a reservation. My name is... I booked a room. I will stay 2 nights. I will stay 3 nights.
Here is my passport. Here is my ID. Here is my credit card.
The receptionist is friendly. The hotel looks beautiful. The lobby is big and bright.
I get my room key. I go to the elevator. I go to my room. I open the door. I feel relaxed.
I want a quiet room. I want a clean room. I want a comfortable bed.
I want a comfortable bed. I want a family room.
Imagine checking in without luggage. That would be ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Oh, that was funny. I can't just... Okay. Okay, I'm calm again.
Now let's practice checkout. I am checking out. My stay is finished. I return my room key.
I pay my bill. I say, thank you. I say, goodbye.
You're doing great. Keep shadowing. Keep repeating. Keep learning.
This is the end of part 1. In part 2, we will practice longer sentences and useful real hotel phrases. Stay with us. You can do this. Today, we continue with our topic, hotel check-in and check-out. We will practice longer, useful, real-life sentences you can speak at any hotel. Stay relaxed, stay focused, and shadow every line with confidence.
Yes, this part is full of practical hotel English sentences. Sentences you can really use when traveling. Remember, take your time. You don't need to rush. Slow English shadowing is the key.
I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under my name. Here is my passport. I booked a room for 2 nights. Is breakfast included?
Could you please tell me my room number? What floor is my room on? Is there an elevator? Can I have a quiet room, please? Can you help me with my luggage?
Now, repeat these slowly. I need a late checkout. I need an early check-in. I would like a wake-up call. The Wi-Fi password, please.
The air conditioner is not working. Can someone help me, please? My key card isn't working. Can I have fresh towels?
I need help with directions. Where is the dining room? Where is the gym? Where is the swimming pool?
Very nice! These are the most common hotel questions travelers use every day. You're doing great. Keep shadowing.
Now let's practice polite, friendly hotel tone. I'm sorry, can you say that again? Could you speak more slowly, please? Thank you so much for your help.
Right. Yes, polite English makes your hotel stay easier and happier. Staff will always appreciate your kindness.
Let's practice some check-out phrases now. I would like to check out, please. Here is my room key. Can I leave my bags here for a few hours?
Can you call a taxi for me? Can I see the bill, please? Everything was wonderful. Thank you.
Oh no! Imagine forgetting your room key inside the room, standing in the hallway like, help! That would be ridiculous!
That was funny. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm good. Let's continue. More useful hotel expressions.
I'm here for business. I'm here for vacation. I'm traveling with family. I'm traveling alone.
The room is clean. The room is quiet. The room is comfortable. The view is beautiful.
The staff is friendly. The lobby is bright. The food is delicious.
I enjoyed my stay. I will come back again. Thank you for everything.
You're doing amazing. Your pronunciation is improving. Your confidence is growing. Keep repeating these lines whenever you travel.
This is the end of Part 2. In Part 3, we will have a practical conversation, a mini story, and a warm closing. Stay with us. You can do it.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Part 3, our final section. Now we will practice a short practical conversation, a mini story, and positive self-practice sentences. Stay relaxed, stay focused, and shadow every line slowly.
Yes, this part will help you sound natural when checking in and checking out of a hotel. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow with confidence.
Part 3A. Short practical conversation. Hello, I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Anna Lopez.
Welcome. May I see your passport, please? And how many nights will you be staying?
Here is my passport. I will stay 2 nights. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. Your room number is 405. Here's your room key. The elevator is on your right.
Thank you so much. Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.?
Of course. We will call you at 7 a.m. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a great day. Part B, Mini Story.
This is a short story about a traveler named Maya.
Maya arrived at a big hotel late at night. She felt tired and a little nervous.
She walked to the front desk. The receptionist smiled and said, "Welcome."
Maya said, "I would like to check in, please." She gave her passport.
The receptionist said, "Your room is ready. Here is your key. Have a wonderful stay."
Maya felt happy. She opened the door to her room. The bed looked soft and warm.
She whispered, "Ah, finally." She rested, slept, and felt safe. Her hotel stay was perfect.
Part C, Positive Self-Practice Sentences. Repeat after me. I can check in confidently. I can speak clearly at a hotel.
I can ask questions politely. I can understand hotel vocabulary.
I feel calm when I travel. I feel ready for new places. I feel proud of my progress.
I learn step by step. I improve every day. I believe in my English.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You did an amazing job. Your hotel English is getting stronger and clearer.
We are proud of you. Remember, slow shadowing builds real confidence. Keep practicing a little every day.
Today's topic was hotel check-in and check-out. Use these sentences anytime you travel.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time on Journey English Daily.